Hey guys, I'm Kyle from the drafting room, where we kind of curate and design some really awesome garages and home solutions for Obsessed Garage. Today we're talking about the Sonic Tools MSS Plus Power Bar Bracket. So this isn't something that you're really going to need very often, as pretty much every cabinet includes one of these already mounted on the inside. But if you ever wanted to mount one somewhere else, a power bar somewhere else, you would need the power bar bracket to really be able to do that if you wanted to have it mounted correctly and everything. So the power bar goes on here with these little tabs. It's got keyholes on the back of the power bar, and then they slide to lock. And this allows you to be able to put a power bar in a really nice position here, kind of on the back of the cabinet if you were going to put it on the side so you can hide the cord and stuff, or you could. But really what these are made for specifically is on the top of the lower back panels that you can spec out. If you were going to do no upper cabinets or anything like that, the lower back panels actually have a spot on top where you can mount these directly to the top of that, so that way you can have power bar access and stuff right at your workspace, which is really nice. So we've done it like that. You could also mount it up underneath a bridge if you were going to do like a desk area. You can kind of mount this and just use some self-tapping, metal screws and screw it right into underneath the bridge. That's pretty much all this is for, is just to provide a solution for easily mounting your power bar wherever you want. It's definitely something that I think, if you're speccing out a cabinet array, you're probably going to want to go ahead and just buy like 2 or 3 of these just in case, because you're bound to have somewhere that you're going to want to put a power bar that isn't already integrated into the system. So that's pretty much it. It's a good little piece. It's not super expensive, but it's something that you need for your power bar.